Hello friends, welcome to the new episode of Safety Forum. Friends, today we will be going to see the safety inspection for the plate compactor, which is used in our civil site for the compaction of soil. And even in our upcoming other videos, we will see all the other safety inspection checklists for other devices also, like the crane, loader, JCBs, excavators and all. I will teach you how to submit the safety inspection checklist. This is the format which is used in my company and in the oil and gas field sector where I'm working. So for different companies, they have different parameters, but the concept is same. So let us get into the video for more details. So friends, this is the format which is used commonly in my company. So as I said, for different companies they have different formats. So I will explain to you first the process, how it works. Like I'm working in a contractor company, so we have the client. So what will happen is once you inspect all the equipments and machines in oil and gas sector, you have to submit this safety inspection checklist of any format to your client. Then they will verify it. So before filling this, it is very important that you must know all the parameters which are mentioned in the checklist, and should be very correct, and it should be supported by the documents, like for the plate compactor, whatever the electrical tests or any other certificates are available, it must be supported along with the safety inspection checklist. So it is like you will sign on this checklist after making a verification, and it will be submitted to the your client or to the oil and gas company engineers, and finally then they will approve it from their side. So it is very important you make sure that all the details are correct. So in today's video I will show you, in case of plate compactor, what all parameters has to be put put as yes, and what all the parameters are to be put as not applicable when you check the safety certificate for when you the fill the safety inspection checklist for the plate compactor. So friends, you can see this is the mobile equipment safety checklist, which is common for almost all the equipments in my company. So the first one is vehicle or equipment type, what type of equipment you are using. So in our case it is plate compactor. The serial number, it will be the serial number which will be written on the compactor. Then you have the client company. If you are working as a direct client company, you can take the direct one. If you are working as a contractor, you have to write your contractor company's name. Now we will see the different parameters. The first one is fire extinguisher. So obviously it is okay, because with all the safety equipments which are used, like the generator, portable generators, plate compactors, everything must be provided with a fire extinguisher. So there must be proper approved fire extinguisher available. So you have to check if it is available. You have to put the tick okay. Now the next one is exhaust system. So it must be leak proof and no black smoke, fitted with approved spark arrestor. You have to check all the exhaust system of this plate compactor is okay, fine. So in my case it is okay, so I have put the okay. Now the third is all lights. So in case of plate compactor there are no lights, so you have to put not applicable. Similarly the reverse beeper and horn, so there is no horn, so it will be not applicable. The fifth is revolving beacons, the light which is found in forklift and all. So even in our case it is not available, so it is not applicable. The sixth is third party certificate. It means a valid third party certification from the other company. So in case of plate compactor, we are not depending on the third party, so it will be not applicable. But yes friends, if you are working on excavators and all, then obviously the third party certificates will be available. So this is what you have to pay attention when you fill the checklist. Now after that we have seventh is tires. So in case of plate compactor there are no tires, which you have seen in the image, so it is not applicable. Then we have eighth battery. So this plate compactor is not working on any battery, it's just based on the fuel, so it is not applicable. Then ninth, we have wiring in electrical ground. So again, as I said, this is a basic plate compactor. There are no question of about having any electrical and other wiring systems, so it will be not applicable. Then 10th, we have grounding wire and chain. The grounding which is provided in generators and all, so it is not available for this device, so it is not applicable. Next we have 11th point, which is fuel and hydraulic system. Yes, obviously it is there. Then you have to check 12th, which is engine rotating parts and guards, which is obviously present in the plate compactor, so it will be tick yes. Then we have third, windshield, which is used mainly found in JCBs and excavators, so not applicable. Then we have 14th, braking and parking brake, which is not there. 15th is the earth leakage circuit breaker, ELCB, which is not available, which is mainly for generator, so you give not applicable. Then 16th, we have rear view mirrors, again for vehicles, so you give not applicable. 17th, we have body canopy booms, so it will be, you will provide tick yes, because the body is there, the parts are there. Then 18th, we have trailer safety chain, which is not applicable. Then 19th, we have jack, wheel spanner for changing the wheels and all, which is not applicable for plate compactor. Then 20th, we have emergency door, again for buses. Then 21st, we have seat belt, which is not available. 22nd, we have first aid box, which is not available for the plate compactor. And 23rd, we have backup sensors, which is for buses. And last 24th, for bus only, which is like for transporting laborers. For the laborers, the buses are used inside, which have sun film tint and all, so it is not applicable. So friends, and finally last, you have to put your authorized signature and you have to put the sign, and this document is submitted to your client along with the supporting other third party if available to the client. So I hope this was clear for you for the portable compactor. Similarly, in my upcoming other videos, I will show you how to do the safety inspection checklist for the other devices also. So friends, don't forget to comment and put your suggestions on the video, and we will see you very soon in the next video. Take care.